FixNList, 16 showings, 1 week on the market. Let me show you what we did to this house.
All right, we transformed the space on the main living area, starting with the family room. We put all new high-end laminate flooring, baseboard, new casing, and of course, crown molding to give the room a beautiful look. On the second floor, we continued the crown molding in the hallway along with replacing all the carpet, brand new doors, trim, and casing. In the kitchen, we painted the cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops with beveled subway tile as a backsplash, and new appliances.
We can do this at your property too. Call us. We'll tell you our secret sauce. We'll get your home fixed up and listed and sold for more money, guaranteed.